What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to manage your Klarna credit reports. Now the first thing we're going to do is to understand the credit report. So if you want to understand your credit report, you got to log into your Klarna account and navigate to the credit or credit report section, and then you can review report content. So it's going to contain your personal information, that's your name, your address and such, your credit account information, which includes your credit limits and your balance, and also it's going to contain your payment history. So that's going to know if you pay and make payments on time, whatever on time or late payments, it's going to be visible. And then of course you can also check out your credit utilization ratio. So the third of course is let's say understanding your credit scoring. So Klarna uses a credit scoring model to evaluate your credit worthiness, and the factors that influence your score include things like payment history, your credit utilization, your credit age, as well as the credit mix. So managing your Klarna credit reports, you can manage it in a couple of ways. The first thing you can do is to of course monitor your report regularly. So you can check your report every 1 to 2 months to ensure accuracy and detect potential issues. The second thing you can do of course is to dispute errors. So if you find errors in your report, you can contact Klarna support team to dispute them. The third of course is to make on-time payments. So pay your bills on time to maintain a positive payment history, and that's going to help you to build your credit score. You can also keep credit utilization low. So you got to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30% to demonstrate responsible credit behavior. The last of course is to avoid applying for multiple credit products. So applying for multiple credit products in a short period can negatively impact your credit score. So you want to take note of all of this to keep your credit scores high and to pretty much help you to be able to access more benefits from Klarna. So yeah, tips for maintaining a healthy Klarna credit report. You could set up payment reminders, so that helps you to never miss a payment. You could also keep your personal information up to date. You could also avoid negative marks. So you want to avoid late payments, collections, and other negative marks on your report, and just build a long credit history. So you want to establish a long credit history to demonstrate more of your credit worthiness, and that way you'll be able to access greater limits in the future. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the video useful. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, because that helps us out a lot. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.